So this video is about Bootstrap. I have got this sample of X, and then I want to obtain a Bootstrap confidence interval. So first let's do a quick recap of bootstrapping by playing a bit with the sample X. So now sample X is loaded into here, and then let's run the code of sampling again. Now the resampled data doesn't look exactly the same as the original sample, so here it has selected 0.54 twice and 0.43 twice, and in this sample it has selected 0.54 twice, no, 3 times now. So each time when I use replace equals true, it selects a different sample. So if we assume the data to be normal, then we can use t-test to make a standard confidence interval. We use t-test because we don't know the variance. But another method is to use Bootstrap with the replicate. 10,000 here are the Bootstrap samples, and each time we make a new sample, and then we calculate the mean of the sample again and again, and then we can calculate the 5%, 95% confidence interval using quantile function. So if we run these 3 lines, we can see Ci produced from, assuming the data is normal, is 0.42 to 0.72, but it's slightly different from the number we recreated here in the Bootstrap sample, and there can be many reasons. Maybe the Bootstrap sample is more accurate. Now we can do some additional calculations here by making a histogram of the data. Let's just histogram X first. Remember to put probability to true, because you want the probability rather than the frequency. So here we can see the data is very right skewed, but then there are relatively few observations, so you can't really see the pattern in such a small sample size. And we can run the histogram of Bootstrap mean, and we can then add the empirical PDF on top of the histogram by using lines. To be fair, lines can also be added to a plot, and it's good to know that lines can also be run after hist, so it can be imposed onto the same graph. Now with 10,000 replications, it doesn't seem like the data is symmetrical, and it looks a bit too centered to be normal, or it can just be my screen is very small at this moment.